Namaskar. Myself, Seema Sharma. Now I have retired from my job as a principal in one of the leading schools of Jaipur, that is India International School Sitapura, and then in India International School Shiprapat, Mansarovar, Jaipur also. I worked as a teacher and then as an assistant principal. I was there in India International School for around more than 30 years, I must say. And with my experience, not only as a teacher, but also as a trained CBSE counselor for Adolescence Education Program, that is AEP. I would like to start my series uh, with the tips on parenting. Not that I was a very good parent, but then when I look back and when I try and ponder about so many things that I could not do for my child, I always remember that uh, I should, now that I'm leading a retired life, I can contribute towards this particular field because I know I struggled through as a parent, and there are so many of you as parents must be struggling with day-to-day challenges of your children. I am a blessed parent. Why? Because now my child has grown up, he's got married, and he's shifted to Mumbai. He stays there along with his wife. But then I have another family over here with me. This boy Raju, he had joined my household in the year 2000, and he came to our house when he was just 15, 16 years old. After a few years, he got married, and his wife Hema, he came along. And then on 4th September 2009, we were all blessed to have a child called Samir Satwal, that is Raju's and Hema's son. And it was a blessing for me because my son was, he went out of my house to pursue his studies first and then got married. And then before marriage also he went out like for his career, and now he's staying in Mumbai. So at home, myself, my husband, Raju, Hema, and then Samir, of course. So we all became. Samir started growing up in our family, and since my son was quite far off, and it was, all those experiments and all those things which I always wanted to do with the children started on Samir. And now that I am a retired person, I thought nothing better than, not only training my this Samir in my home. I thought of starting this thing, giving my tips for parenting. And I know so there are so many parents who are looking for certain kinds of tips, because when I was a young mother, even I used to get stuck up sometimes how to handle my child. And this Samir is also not an easy boy to handle now that he's in class 5, and very, very energetic, very, very playful, can't sit. And whenever I go to his school for parent teacher meeting, I always experience only once, I mean, one this thing, one comment, that comes up from his teachers, that Samir cannot sit for 5. So, when I was indulging in bringing up Samir and wanted to, channelize his energy, and then came this lockdown, and everything was locked up. And we all know how children are suffering inside the homes. And I told his mother, Hema, I said, Hema, we need to do something with this boy because he's always bubbling with energy. And what to do? And then, of course, as a teacher in India International School, I always felt, that learning by doing is the best thing. And if I tell Samir that you do this, he would not do it. So it was, I had to be very, very practical in telling him. And I said, how you are going to pastime, and what are you going to do in your free time? And then there came an idea, yes, I can do some paintings, I can draw something, and I can do this, I can do that. So after a while, we said, we brought colors, we brought so many things for him, which he required for his art activities. And there, he started, using all those crayons and pencil colors, and then later on, even the charcoal pencils my husband brought for him. And it was magic on the paper. But then that was not sufficient. Why? Because one paper was here, the other paper was there, and then, it was like, whenever I used to call him, show your art things, oh yes, Tai, I'm fetching them, I don't know, where are they? So that was quite irritating. I said, you're using so much of your time, and then your artwork is not visible. And then I came up with an idea. I said, again, this is a tip for the parent, that instead of just telling the child, you do this and you do that, that's not very interesting for him. So I said, okay. Now, if you try and paste your paintings on a cardboard sheet and then also frame it. And then his mother came up with an idea that let us make the newspaper rolls and use them in the framing. And then later I gave him a tip that why don't you color those newspaper strips also? And then that was, the number of paintings, the number of drawings that he had made, and all those were pasted on a cardboard, then framed with a newspaper framing. And then that was a lesson given to him under the heading learning by doing, that you have to learn to keep your things properly. So in case if I keep on saying that you keep your things properly, he would not listen to me. But then I said, okay, we are going to put an exhibition. That was a big idea for him. And then we all thought of some tricks, like how to put up an exhibition. And it was like we arranged things in 3 layers, and then came up with the a nice lighting, and so many things we did for the exhibition, which you are going to watch very, very soon. So here I would like to end my first lesson for the parents, because this will be followed with the exhibition that Samir had put up. And let me tell you, I did not do anything. What I did was I just motivated the child. And of course, his mother was always ready to, take down all the steps, whatever points, whatever things I used to tell her. She used to be by my side, by her child's side, and, providing things to him, providing the kind of help that is required. And there came up this exhibition. And the important line here is for the parents is, instead of just telling the child, make that instruction a little interesting, and not only interesting, but then the child should have the motivation to do it. Okay, and then you see the sky is the limit. And by this putting up this exhibition, he learned a lesson that how I should keep my things properly, and why I should not be wasting my talent by just enjoying making one art piece and then throwing it away in a dustbin. So, securing things, this was another lesson that he could learn. So it was a beautiful experience for me. And then when this exhibition came up, and then I said, oh my God, this has been in quite in a good spirit. And you can say that it was quite big. It was not a small exhibition. And which you can see in this video, the video that is coming up next after my speech. And so this is my tip to the parents, that instead of just nagging your child, instead of just giving him instructions, let's all do something practical. So that is something, which will build in good habits in a child. So try this tip from my side and enjoy viewing the exhibition, which was put up in my own drawing room. And I'm sure you're going to like it. And you can say that Samir says that this is a gift of quarantine. So just check out on the exhibition. Thank you so much. And maybe this session is going to be followed by other sessions too, if you enjoy it. And maybe you can raise some questions, and I would try and answer all your queries to my, I mean, whatever, in whatever way I can help you out as a parent. And even the children who are watching this can also come up with their queries, and in case they want some help from my side, you're always welcome. Thank you so much.
Lockdown came as a surprise. First, I thought it would be so boring, but later I realized that it was a blessing in disguise. I did so many creative things in lockdown. We make Ludo at home and played. In quarantine, I have learned so many good things like drawing, calligraphy, shading, and so on. I have made the quarantine exhibition. My toy is the fishing game. So as you see that this is my fishing game. So I am taking my hook to the fish and grabbing it like this. My next game is the billiards. So this is the billiards table that I have made, and this is the 6 sticks that I have used to play. So I am using this ball to play, and I am shooting it to this ball. Like this, my ball goes to the hole. Whenever I go to the mall, I play the car racing game. So I cannot go to the mall in this period, so I have made the car racing game at home. Moved my steering to the right, and I want to move my bulldozer to the left. I have moved my steering to the left. So as you can see, I am moving my steering and my bulldozer also moves. So these are the creative things that I have get from the quarantine. My next model is the gun that I have made at home. So now I will show you how does it works. So I am putting my lever back and putting the bullet inside the hole. So then I am shooting this like this. So as you see that the bullet goes outside. My next is the party launcher. I have inserted the sprinkles in the glass, and I will show you that I am stretching the balloon like this and releasing it like this. My next object is the spider web slinging toy. So now I am taking the pen and putting the lid inside like this and holding the lever inside. So now I am inserting the bullet like this, and now I am releasing it. So as you see that this goes outside. And my next is the bow, but this bow cannot work. This I have made from the newspaper and the cardboard. My next is the newspaper basket. So as you see, I am putting 2 lemons in the basket and 1 tomato. And this is the pen stand that I have made. This I have kept for the eraser and pencil, pins and the sharpener. And these are the pens and markers. This is my Ludo game. So as you see that this is the pebble stones that I have colored. So this is the mat that I have made. This This I have made from the cloth strips, waste cloth strips. This is my train that I have made from the newspaper rolls. This is the engines. So these are my paintings. As you see, this is the Madhubani painting, and I have framed from the newspaper rolls, as you see, from the both sides. And I have also painted the rolls. So first we press these two buttons like this, then we hold the lid and pull it out. Then we rotate it for 2 or 3 seconds, and then we gently press it. I made the eco-friendly Ganeshji gas from what? Atta. This is the thali of the balanced diet. In this thali there are all the nutrients that balanced diet should have. I made the Father's Day card for my father and a birthday card also. I also make a gift ramp. In the gift ramp I have put flowers and a ribbon. I also made a folding card, and I have put much effort than all other cards. And I also made a card on her birthday, and I have write lines for my father. My parents gave me a remote control car, so I thought of making garage for parking my remote control car. Calligraphy.